to you, to you. But the river kept flowing with no sign of slowing, and the note kept going, the note kept on going past you and left you dive into the cold. to you.